Hello guys, welcome to this video. By the end of this video, I'll teach you some tips that is going to help you a lot, which includes
new features that Vepaar recently released. Around last month, they dropped a brand new store design that almost every one of us just start seeing. Now, 3 days ago, they released a new features for their team and also a chat widget that you guys have never noticed. Also, recently, 2 days ago, they now have a features that will allow your users to log in. So if this video is what you actually want, then stay tuned. Let's get started. Alright, welcome to this video. As you all know, I'm Jide, one of the Vepaar guy, you know. Okay, so they are my guys and I'm their guy. So now let's talk about the new design, or okay, let's take it from scratch. So I think the new design is the last thing there. So let's take a look at the new design. So previously we have your domain or your subdomain.wat.bz, but now you are linking to vepaar.com directly, then your subdomain. So if you have your own domain, your own store domain directly, is going to be connected to a new IP. So instead of the record that we are using before, so if you connect to this new IP, this is how you are going to get to the new store. So if you need me to record a video on that, I would love to show you guys. So now this is the new store design. As you can see, this looks sleek. You guys have to check it on mobile, as in badass. It looks like a brilliant fresh store. You know, every product designs, everything looks perfect, especially when you had a features like this and this. You know, let me show you a store. You'll see how it's going to look like in this store. Check these stores. It's called Wuju Indian. You see how sleek the design look here, guys. See how perfect everything looks like. So it's something if you need, you can contact me for. So now this is the new store design. It has a lot of features, which includes the login, the carts. So let's imagine I had this product to cart and a quick button checker. Okay, this is a variable product, so let me look for a direct product. Okay, now you see it's there, and you can even search. You can search on the store and you can look for a specific product you want to buy. You know, different new design, and the logo perfectly aligned, and it's okay. To me, it's okay. So now that's the new feature. So if you need me to explain how you can connect your own domain to the vepaar.com/your domain area, so I can record that for you, but I'm just trying to highlight the features. So now the next thing they've worked on, let's see what's the next thing after the theme store. So it's the store theme, so which is the coloring of changing the color of your store. So let me quickly show you how that look like. So when you go to your settings here, you go to the theme. So now you have color branding, and they also add fonts and branding. So now you can easily change your store color to something yellow, then secondary color to be, let me use this red. Can that work? Let's see. So let's see. So now if I go back to my store and reload it, you are going to see that now I have yellow, and I'm going to have red as the color too. So that's just it. So there is no button to make it go back to the default, unless you have to set it yourself to the default color. You understand what I'm trying to say? So that's just it, guys. And let's move to the next thing. So you can easily move to change your font, your store font, and you can also preview Google fonts here. So if you have any font that you love, you can easily use it. So now this features is called branding. The branding, if you notice very well down here, we have this Vepaar logo. You can easily remove it now and save. Then when I reload this page, you are going to see that you're going to see that the stuff has get away, so it's not there. So that features is there now. You can easily make good use of that too. So now the next thing they've done is the chat widget. So now let's set that up here. So for you to do that, you have to go to your settings and your contact detail. So in your contact area, so let me delete this. So I'll remove the demo picture that I use. Okay, let's select the picture. And so this fits in, then let's set. So you can set your name now. You can set okay, this is the person for okay test mode, or let's just say live chat. Are you getting it? So now if the person is online, you can just activate this for call support or WhatsApp support. So you can set that. So you save it. So now let's go back. Okay, let's do this. So I'm going to try and get another picture. Just try this. I don't know the icon that is inside it. Okay. So that this can be another person picture. Crop. We can call this Kausha, my friend. So then what it did is technical support. You can have another support called uh transaction support, okay, billing support. Let us say billing support. Okay, he's online, you can call him and you can message him on WhatsApp to a different number though. Then you can save that. So when the person go offline, you can just disable this online. So now, so if you notice very well, the button here, it says that chat with us, and let me show you again, chat with us button, and you can see Jide and Kausha that they are online. The green button shows that they are online, and you can easily call or message them on WhatsApp because they are ready to help you out in anything you are about to do. So very simple features like that. So now let's move to the next feature, which is what's it called? Let me check. Okay, user login. So now easily, without you doing anything, they have a feature called user login. So this feature needs you to activate something on your store, which is WhatsApp. You just have to go to your store, come down here, and come to, is it checkout? Yeah, under your checkout setting, then no, user verification, rather user verification. So you have to activate the WhatsApp checkout stuff or the mobile number. So the WhatsApp checkout is going to automatically connect so your user to your WhatsApp. I don't know, maybe you understand. So if they use the WhatsApp verification, all the message is going to be sent to their WhatsApp. So now if you use your own direct phone number, it's something, or which is going to select the number that you have already on your own phone number area, or if you use direct phone number, so you can easily use that and they will be sent an OTP to their phone instead of WhatsApp, because some users might not have a WhatsApp details. So that's that. I think you understand this area, but if you check with Vepaar.store, you notice that they are using the WhatsApp verification area. So other than that, that's just literally everything they've added so far. This, if you log in, let me just try to log into the Vepaar.store area. So you see my own function there. You see how it's going to look like, because I don't want to disturb myself to do this again on this section. So if I log in here now, 4.3, I literally come here because I want to show you how it's going to look like when you are inside. So this is going to be like your hello welcome stuff. So now my order is going to list. Okay, so I use this order to test so you can easily see your order, track and know the status of your order. So now if you click on the view my order, it's going to tell you maybe the product has been shipped, maybe the current status is still open. So you unpaid, you are going to pay on delivery, and this is your address detail, and this is the total amount you pay. So you can easily generate like a receipt out here if you want to, which I think is Ctrl S to select some part of the page and print it out. Very easy like that. Then you can easily log out. So this is how the back end look also. So you don't have to do anything on your own side here. It's going to be automatically added for you by Vepaar. I think that's literally everything they've done so far. These guys are actually working. I'm loving their work and everything they've been doing. And also, I noticed they mentioned what's it called? Zapier. Zapier somewhere here. So I think the integration is going to come from Zapier, not anywhere on their website, because I tried to search for it. I can't find the Zapier integration format. So other than that, that's literally everything. So the payment area, you see the, what's it called, all their integration and the settings here. Did they have, okay, this is the integration. You won't find Zapier here. I don't know why. So I was expecting to see Zapier here too. So no Zapier. I don't know, maybe something is missing. Other than that, guys, I believe this, if you have been watching my past videos, I keep mentioning that you guys should get the Vepaar Pro. So these are features that are going to be available for almost all the pro users, not general users. So if you have a Vepaar Pro, it's going to be of advantage for you, and it's going to boost your store and make your store stand out. So I will put a link in the description that you can use to get Vepaar, and it's going to be of your own advantage. So if you notice my account very well, I have the lifetime offer, so it's still available right now. I am not sure, as I'm recording this, I think it's still. So I'll put the link there in the description. You can use the link to get the Vepaar for lifetime sake. You understand? So it's not going to be like monthly payment, and it's so cheap that you can just pay it and forget about it and continue or come back to it later. So if you enjoyed this video, kindly subscribe to my channel. I'm going to release more unique videos and direct videos that is going to help you to boost your sales and get more customers and convert them to sales as soon as possible. So that's literally everything for now, guys. Bye.